Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to another video. Today in this video I want to talk about where you can store all your footages. Example, images, videos that you have recorded using your drone or your cameras or even your action cameras. So before we move forward, if you are new face, feel free to subscribe my channel, thumbs up as well, any questions, ask in the comments, and I'll be really happy to reply you back. So if you produce a lot of videos and images and you want to store them somewhere safely and somewhere where you want to access them easily, it's really important to store them on external hard drive. That's because you don't want to take too much space on your laptop or on your MacBook or any kind of PC you are using. Personally, I store all my footages on external hard drive, and one of them is WD external hard drive. This one is 5 terabytes, and guess what? It's full. And also I have purchased additional one which is 10 terabytes, and also it's half full. That's because I do produce a lot of videos and a lot of images, and they do take a little bit of space. I'm quite happy with the quality of them external hard drivers, and they're not bad for the price. They are a bit pricey, but they are reliable. So if you do produce a lot of videos and a lot of images, I would highly recommend to not store them on your PC or on your MacBook. That's because it takes huge amount of space from your laptop, and thirdly, if something happens to your laptop or your PC breaks down or any virus, there is a risk that you're gonna lose all your footages. So personally, I would highly recommend to buy one of them hard drive so you can store all your footages on one of them. And also, if you want a bit of peace of mind, I will probably buy 2 of them and just one of them for a backup. They're quite handy to have. They don't weigh too much. They're small, compact, and you can use them on Windows laptops and also on MacBooks. To use them on MacBooks, you'll need such cable or such adapter to use with the cable which came with this hard drive. That's basically what I use to store all my footages and all my images. I don't regret buying 3 of them. Again, they're a bit pricey, but then I like to have a bit of peace of mind, and I like to store my footages externally on hard drive. I don't keep anything on my laptops. That's because sometimes my laptops might break down, or I don't want to take too much risk to lose my footages, my images, which I took them years ago, and I want to have them saved on hard drive. One more thing I forgot to mention, when them hard drivers are really handy, is when you have not a lot of space on your laptop. So example, if you have a laptop and it has only 500 gig, means you'll have limited space for your footages, and also your laptop might be slower when you want to edit some footages and you're running out of space, which could be a problem for your editing skills because the program will be slower and you'll get frustrated because it takes a while. So that's what I use. I do copy all my footages from drones, cameras and action cameras to external hard drive, and when I have time and I want to edit anything, I just copy them onto my laptop, and then I'm working in editing them footages. That's pretty much what I want to share with you today. It's basically, that's because it's really important if you are new to this hobby and you also have a lot of footages. It's really important to have an external hard drive. Which brand to go, it's totally up to you. And that's pretty much what I want to talk in this really short video. If you like this video, thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe my channel. Any questions, ask in the comments, and I will be really happy to reply you back. And until then, I'm going to see you in the next video. Have a nice one.